Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Black Shark SE isn't detecting your SIM card. Having your SIM card already inserted into the tablet, the first step that I would recommend doing is restarting your tablet. Hold down the power button, then select restart on the power options screen and just wait until your device is restarted. There is a good chance that it will detect your SIM card after the restart. And if your SIM card still isn't detected, then let's try to remove the SIM card tray along with the SIM card, and let's try to check whether we have inserted it properly. So remove the protective case from your tablet, then grab a pin-like tool like this one, insert it into the SIM card tray of your tablet. Push it slightly inside to open the tray, then carefully remove it from the tablet. Now let's check the back side of the SIM card. Make sure that you see no stains on it and no blurriness. If you do, you can either try to use a microfiber cloth to clean it carefully, or if the microfiber cloth isn't enough by itself, you can use you can dip it into the small amount of isopropyl alcohol and then wipe it once again. This way we will not damage the contacts and we'll get our SIM card clean. After that, we're gonna have to properly insert it into the tray. So we have to make sure that we see this metallic side of the tray before inserting the SIM card, and we're gonna have to place it like this. Make sure that it's not moving anywhere. Now keep holding your tray like this, align it with the SIM card tray properly and carefully insert it back into your tablet. Make sure that you're inserting it the correct side. Okay, and after that, let's check the settings. So let's unlock our device. Swipe down the control center. Hold your finger down on the internet tile. Now, go to network and internet. No. Excuse me, we have to... Oh no, it's right. We have to go to network and internet, then select mobile network, and here you should be able to see your SIM card. Here we have the SIM card settings, and if your SIM card isn't getting detected, well, the only thing that we can do about it is scroll down to the system settings. Then in system, we're gonna have to select reset options, then reset mobile network settings and confirm. Enter your PIN code, the PIN code to your tablet, not your SIM card, then confirm. And then check whether your device started seeing your SIM card, and if not, then you're gonna have to reach out to your SIM card provider, so your mobile carrier, and ask them if your SIM card is active, because might be that it has lost its active status, and in such case it will not be detected by your tablet. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.